after these demonstrations that is majorly focusing on the national government, we are going to narrow it down to the county government, where we find that there are a lot of mess in the county government. Our MCAs are no longer doing their work. Everything that they do the same. The other day we found a list of places that President Ruto have visited since he was elected. And in this list, there is also another one that came from of my governor and the places she has visited. And in comparison, we find that they are more or less the same, and they are using public funds in these trips. I will urge our fellow Gen Zs to focus on these matters. After the national level, we narrow it down to county level so that the MCAs, the governors, and those who are in charge of the county level can also do their work, right?
The reasons as to why we are demonstrating is we need accountability on the people, on the elected members that we elected in our both counties and the national government. We are misrepresented in the parliament. That is to say, we have our members of parliament, that is even in Omabeya, who is misrepresenting us in the parliament. It is so sad that our issues cannot be addressed so well, because there is nothing like PAD taxes, but we have eco-levy taxes that is dealing with the companies that are producing these goods. That is what they are supposed to be telling us in the parliament when they are representing us, but not misrepresenting us by telling us that that is eco, that is PAD tax, that is cancer tax. There's nothing like that. We understand the constitution, we understand the